Ramba. They are Shiva Lingam also. They are Muslim Kingroli. You take a gold in Navaratri, the taking stand the Ramesh. Ramesh Lingam. They are Vishnu standing there. The top side comes name Ganadas. Downside soldiers. Front side Oplikas. Pallava, Pallava. Next Shiva. Last Ramba. They are Parvati. Parvati, you got lot of names. Yeah, lot of fighting time. Then normal time, 8 amps. 4 amps like that. Parvati, you got so many names. Parvati, Kalyata, Maryata, Mundakati, Meenakshi, Kamakshi, Visalakshi, Vishnu Durga, Karkata, like that, different places, different names. So Durga, very tangible. Durga, you got buffalo head. This guy, buffalo head. One village eating people. 4%, 5% eating daily. These are people who say Parvati. Parvati, I think the women people very happy with the festival. Navaratri.